All right, Anthony, I've got all the caffeine loaded up. I've let the people that need to know and not blasted social media. What's step 3?
So you've done great so far, Matt. And there's actually a lot involved in step 3. This is definitely one you're going to want to read the whole guide for. But the quick hit is you're going to want to start to restore from your immutable backups if you have them. If not, the Breach Council will work with you on getting a decryptor, either by paying the ransom or finding one if it's available. But if you have those immutable backups and you've done your due diligence beforehand, this is when that's all going to pay off. You're going to be able to pull that backup data out. You're going to be able to clean it up as part of recovery and remove the infected files, and slowly but surely begin to restore and recreate business as usual environment.
Absolutely critical to have those immutable copies on-prem so that when you're ready to start that restoration process, you don't have to wait on lengthy downloads. Great tip. So on to step 4, Anthony.
Let's get it.